Cars PH. Hello mga ka-China Cars! Sobrang exciting ng araw na to dahil finally, mare-review na natin ang 2024 GWM Oracat. Ang GWM Ora 03 ay isang EV na gawa ng GWM. Front-mounted electric motor na may maximum power na 126 kW at 250 Nm of torque. Itong variant ay Ora 400 na may 48 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery. Ang exterior design nito ay retro at ang designer nito ay ex-Porsche designer kaya kung mapapansin nyo, may hawig ang ilaw nito sa Porsche at Mini Cooper EV. Sa likod naman ay wala itong taillight dahil nasa salamin ang brake light at signal light ng Ora 03. Ang range ng Oracat 400 ay umaabot ng 374 kilometers. Sa safety features naman, as usual, palaging lamang at advanced si GWM kaysa sa mga competitors. Napakaganda ng ADAS ng Ora 03 katulad ng experience namin sa Jolion HEV at H6 HEV. May lane keep assist, lane departure warning, auto emergency braking na useful pag may mga blind spots habang nagre-reverse. And collision warning naman na super effective dahil malalaman mo pag may mabilis at nakatutok sa likod mo while driving.
Yeah, come on. We getting down with the sound of the old school vibe. Keep it alive with my tribe survive. Everybody know we gon' do it like this. Come on, everybody don't stop. Yeah, come on. Everybody feel it, come around with the rhythm. It's the sound, everybody get down when we give it to you.
This video is brought to you by CS Films Nano Ceramic Tint with advanced nanotech and ceramics for superior heat, UV, and glare reduction. You can contact them on Facebook.
Sa interior naman, spacious at very simple and classy design. At maganda ang quality ng leather ng upuan. Pati ang sidings nito may leather din. Power seats na rin both driver and passenger. May wireless charging din at responsive at modern infotainment system. Dalawa ang USB port at may isang cigarette plug. Ang shifter naman ay rotary type na very modern at simple to use. P-button sa gitna at rotate right for drive at rotate left para naman sa reverse. Sa cargo space, saktong-sakto naman para sa mga ganitong klase ng kotse. Tamang grocery lang, kasyang-kasya naman. Maganda ang rear view mirror nito at may auto dim function na. Malinaw ang 360 camera nito at ang pinakagusto kong feature is pag nag-turn ka lang ng steering konti, lalabas na ang camera view sa infotainment. Usually sa ibang brand, pag nag-turn signal ka bago lalabas sa infotainment. Pati sa reverse parking, pag malapit na ang distance sa wall or any obstructions, mag-iba din ang view niya. Nagamit namin itong Ora 03 for almost a week at lahat ng charge namin ay sa mall which is 10 or 22 kW. Tapos nagkaroon din kami ng chance na mag-charge sa Shell Recharge na up to 100 plus kW charging. Grabe ang bilis, 20 to 100%, halos 1 hour lang. Nagbayad din ako ng almost 1,300 pesos for that kasi kailangan ko ng quick charge at may pupuntahan kami.
Yeah, come on. We getting down with the sound of the old school vibe. Keep it alive with my tribe survive. Everybody know we gon' do it like this. Come on, everybody don't stop. Yeah, come on. Everybody feel it, come around with the rhythm. It's the sound, everybody get down when we give it to you.
Sa ride naman, maganda at smooth kasi dahil siguro sa EV battery. Stable ang ride kahit 100 km per hour compared sa first EV na na-review namin na Jetour Ice Cream na medyo magaan na ang pakiramdam if 100 km per hour. Overall, we are impressed with the technology and safety of the Ora. Hope we can compare this with the Jack E-Turbo na tingin ko direct competitor ng Ora 03. We would like to thank GWM Philippines for letting us experience this Ora 03. Next to review ay ang GWM Canon pickup naman. So stay tuned mga ka-China Cars.
Getting down with the sound of the old school vibe. Keep it alive with my tribe survive. Everybody know we gon' come around with the rhythm. It's a sound, everybody get down when we give it to you. Everybody feel it, come around with the rhythm.